a lot of companies that are feeling the strain of this recession to continue to move product and inventory. They're going to give you better pricing, better terms. So negotiate for those things to get the equipment and the people you need at better and preferred pricing. Making investments. It can be a great time to invest in capital expenditures because providers will give equipment on loan or on different financing programs. Does slow demand create good timing to make a certain investment? A lot of your capital expenditures, especially on equipment, and we're seeing this even on our construction crew, we're now in the process of negotiating and buying some heavier equipment simply because the lease rates are getting really good. In the midst of COVID, you couldn't even buy equipment because supply chains were so constrained, there wasn't any equipment to buy. Well, now you're starting to see that equipment getting restocked, but now nobody's buying it. I remember a year and a half ago, I ordered a track hoe. Kubota track hoe is a $75,000 machine, and I had to order it. Well, it came in June when I just canceled $25 million in development deals, and I said, I don't want the machine. He called me just the other day and he goes, Lee, what do we got to do to make a deal on this machine? So now the prices come down. They're offering 0% interest rate. Instead of a 4-year term, they'll go 8. So a lot of companies that are feeling the strain of this recession to continue to move product and inventory, they're going to give you better pricing, better terms. So negotiate for those things to get the equipment and the people you need at better and preferred pricing. Okay. Last one I have for you here, and there's a list of 20. I'm just giving you 9. The last one I wanted to mention here was making acquisitions. Economic hardships can create great acquisition and company absorption opportunities as some companies see a compression of valuations. Have you considered a merger or an acquisition? Now, Matt has done an amazing job putting together a team of incredible operators of varying sizes. Some are doing, $900,000 a year in revenue, and others are doing a lot more than that. I think some of our smaller members are going to feel the strain of the restrictions. So rather than them going out of business, is there an opportunity to partner with them? Maybe not necessarily acquire their company, but partner with them in whatever vertical it is they're currently operating under. Maybe, through your operational prowess and liquidity and cash flow, you could bankroll their marketing, help them create more customers, generate more leads, put their leads on your floor to generate more revenue for them through some rev share or JV opportunity. Now is a great time. The next 18 months are going to be filled with all kinds of acquisitions and mergers, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens even within this group. And I would love, and Matt, thank you. Matt will send me texts and emails and say, hey, Lee, would you consider buying this company or merging with that person? Absolutely. We'd love to look at any of those opportunities. Even if you don't need the help, you're running a great operation and you're fine through the recession. What could we collectively do together? I'd love to explore some of those options as we go deeper into this.